In this video, I just want to show you that you can actually show the proofs in Geometer Sketchpad, or if you want, you can also do it on paper. But if you decide to do it here, let's say I'm proving this isosceles triangle M and O is the base angles are congruent. What I could do is use this for the arrows. So for example, I have MN is the same as NO. So let me go ahead and draw this here. So I can use this as the segment. So MN. Now hit it again to take that off. Now here's the congruence sign. Here's my segment tool. So I've got that. I could say that this is a reflexive side. So again, I'm going to go ahead, since I'm already here, do NP is congruent to itself. And I made this the median. So again, I could say this is the same as itself, but you could see what I'm going to be doing. I can also use, when I get down to the triangle step, inside here, I also have a little symbol for triangles, which is down here. So I could say that, for example, triangle MNP, and you can actually also click on here if you want. So MNP is congruent to ONP. So that's kind of a nice shortcut as well. Okay? All right.